Hello, my name is Dr. Cynthia Burrell and I am your instructor. Today we will discuss creating a research paper in APA format. Creating a research paper requires time, effort, and attention to detail. So it is important to stay focused and give yourself plenty of time to complete the assignment. Creating a research paper involves several key steps. The next few slides will provide a general guide to help you navigate the process. Our objectives for today are: to understand the basics of APA format, to identify the structure of an APA research paper, to identify resources and tools needed to complete a APA paper. Creating a research paper involves several key steps. Here is a general guide to help you navigate the process. Select a topic. Choose a subject that interests you and aligns with your research goals. Ensure that it is specific enough to be manageable within the scope of a research paper. Conduct preliminary research. Familiarize yourself with the existing literature on your chosen topic. Review scholarly articles, books, and other relevant sources to gain a solid understanding of the current knowledge and research gaps. Develop a research question or thesis statement. Based on your preliminary research, formulate a clear research question or thesis statement that will guide your study. This should be a concise statement that captures the main focus of your research. Create an outline. Organize your ideas and arguments by creating a structured outline. Divide your paper into sections such as introduction, literature review, methodology, results, discussion, and conclusion. This will serve as a roadmap for your writing. Gather data and evidence. Depending on your research methodology, collect data through experiments, surveys, interviews, observations, or by analyzing existing datasets. Ensure that your data collection methods are reliable and ethical. Analyze and interpret data. Once you have collected the necessary data, analyze it using appropriate statistical or qualitative analysis techniques. Draw meaningful conclusions based on your findings and link them back to your research question or thesis statement. Write the paper. Begin by writing the introduction, providing background information on your topic and stating your research question or thesis. Follow your outline to develop the main body of the paper, presenting your literature review, methodology, results, and discussion in a logical sequence. Use clear and concise language, and support your arguments with evidence from your research. Cite your sources. Throughout your paper, provide proper citations for all the sources you have used. Follow a specific citation style of APA to ensure consistency and accuracy. Revise and edit. Review your paper for clarity, coherence, and organization. Check for grammatical errors, spelling mistakes, and ensure that your arguments flow logically. Consider seeking feedback from peers or mentors to improve the quality of your paper. Write the abstract and conclusion. Summarize your research paper in an abstract, highlighting the key points and findings. Conclude your paper by restating your main arguments and discussing the implications of your research. Proofread. Before submitting your research paper, carefully proofread it to eliminate any remaining errors or inconsistencies. Pay attention to formatting requirements and ensure that your paper adheres to the guidelines provided by your institution or journal. Submit assignment, per instructor's guidance. Remember, creating a research paper requires time, effort, and attention to detail. Stay organized, follow a systematic approach, and seek guidance from your mentors or instructors whenever needed. When structuring a research paper in APA, American Psychological Association, format, you should follow a specific organizational framework. Here's a general outline to help you structure your paper. Title page. Include page number, the title of your research paper, your name, your institutional affiliation, course number and title, faculty, professor, date assignment due. Running head not required on title page for student paper. Abstract. An abstract is a brief, comprehensive summary of the contents of the paper. An abstract is not usually required for student papers unless requested by the instructor or institution. Provide a brief summary of your research paper, usually 150 to 250 words, and highlight the purpose, methods, results, and conclusions of your study. Introduction. Introduce your research topic and provide background information. Clearly state your research question or thesis statement. Briefly review relevant literature to establish the context and rationale for your study. Outline the structure of your paper. Literature review. Summarize and critically analyze existing research and literature related to your topic. Identify gaps or controversies in the literature that your study aims to address. Organize the literature based on themes or relevant subtopics. Methodology. Describe the research design, including the type of study, participants, and data collection methods. Clearly explain how you collected and analyzed your data. Discuss any ethical considerations and measures taken to protect participants. Results. Present your findings in a clear and concise manner. Use tables, figures, or charts to display quantitative data. Include appropriate statistical analyses and significance levels. Provide factual information without interpretation or discussion. Discussion. Interpret your findings and explain their significance in relation to your research question. Compare your results with previous studies and discuss any similarities or differences. Consider the limitations of your study and suggest areas for future research. Discuss the practical implications and applications of your findings. Conclusion. Summarize the main points of your research paper. Restate your research question or thesis statement. Highlight the contributions and implications of your study. Avoid introducing new information or arguments in the conclusion. References. List all the sources cited in your research paper. Follow APA guidelines for formatting the references, including proper citation style, indentation, and punctuation. Appendices, if applicable, include any additional materials that are relevant to your study, such as surveys, interview transcripts, or raw data. Remember to consult the official APA publication manual or APA style guides for specific formatting requirements, such as margins, font size, headings, and in-text citations. There are many tools and resources. Resources include books, journals, magazines, newspaper, internet, library. Tools include Microsoft Word or Google Doc, Grammarly, WordTune, Editor in Word. Google it or use other web resources to find more tools and resources. In conclusion, remember, creating a research paper requires time, effort, and attention to detail. Stay organized, follow a systematic approach, and seek guidance from your mentors or instructor whenever needed. Good luck writing your research paper and have a wonderful day.